How to create activity alerts in Microsoft Defender for Microsoft Teams. Introduction. Activity alerts in Microsoft Defender allow administrators to monitor specific user activities, such as when a Microsoft team is created, deleted, or modified. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up an activity alert to monitor actions like team creation in Microsoft Teams. Step-by-step tutorial. Log into Microsoft Defender. Go to Microsoft Defender Security Center. Sign in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to Alert Policy Settings. Navigate to Email and Collaboration Policies and Rules Alert Policy. Manage Activity Alerts. Click on Manage Activity Alerts to access and configure activity alerts. Create a new activity alert. Click plus New Alert Policy. Note, if the new alert policy option is not available, you may need to enable auditing for your tenant. Select Turn on Auditing, and check back later once auditing is enabled. Configure the alert policy. Name the policy, provide a descriptive name for the alert, e.g., Team Creation Alert. Select Activity. In the Activities drop-down, type Team to search for all related alert options. Choose Created Team as the activity to monitor. Configure notification recipients. Enter the email addresses of the recipients who should be notified when this alert is triggered. Save the alert policy. Click Save to finalize the alert policy. This activity alert will now notify the specified recipients whenever a new team is created by any user. Summary. You have successfully set up an activity alert in Microsoft Defender to monitor actions in Microsoft Teams, such as the creation of new teams. This ensures you receive timely notifications about significant changes within your team's environment.